Okay, today is November the 15th, 2016, and right now at 8:45 p.m. we have a temperature of 68 degrees. We've got a relative humidity of only 29%. We've got a dew point of 35 degrees, and the barometer is reading 30.04 inches. All right, now we have a moisture field that is approaching Southern California right here, and it's being sprayed over with chemtrails. The jets are out spraying over the top of this moisture field, and will prevent the precipitation process. Also, we've got a developing hurricane force storm system right here, which is moving to the east. We've got two low pressure systems right up here, which are spinning around each other. And we have a transmitter generated uh, blockade right through here, which is separating the jet stream from feeding this low pressure system up here, and also uh, which will prevent these two weather systems from merging. So we've got a big area here, channel of dry, uh, high pressure. Right here we can see the separation taking place. That will that will prevent this hurricane force system from merging with what's going on right here. We can see all the evaporation right on this edge of the storm system. It's just dissipating as it moves into this blockade of high pressure generated by that transmitter. Let's go ahead and take a look at the straight edge on this one system right here. We can see that this is over 1,000 miles long right there. Take a look at that. We also have a sort of an imperfect rectangle right there, right angle formed. As we click through this loop, we can see that this is very straight. This is a man-made feature. Transmitter is focusing RF energy right in the core of this developing hurricane force system, and that will separate the core of this system from the frontal system, which happens to be the jet stream flow right through here. And that will happen here in a day or so. But we'll just click through these frames. We can see that this maintains uh, very straight throughout the entire loop, which is a 7.5 hour loop. And we can see that right angle firming up. So they're using microwave to probably do this. This is a microwave transmitter, and that is heating the core. It is causing all this odd geometric geometric features that we see, and that will eventually separate the core from the front. All right. Let's take a look at the western U.S. water vapor loop. See that dual low pressure system up here, and we have some jet stream flow into California and Oregon and Washington. We're actually getting some rain in Northern California, and we can see this chemtrail laced moisture field moving towards Southern California. We already have skies that are full of chemtrails this morning. That will increase as the bulk of this moisture moves in later on today. And we can see how everything is dissipating. Look at here. This is all falling apart as it moves towards Southern California. And so these radomes that are along the coast of California are beaming microwave probably right into this area and breaking up all this rain along with the chemtrail haze. We can see that rain moving into the northern area of California. Let's take a look at the telecast radar map. We can see the Doppler radar map right here. We can see the rain up in Northern California, but nothing down here. About an hour ago, there was rain off of San Diego. That's no longer the case. Here's the Pacific Surface Analysis map. We can see that developing hurricane force system right here, moving to the east. Got the high pressure in between indicated, separating this from these two lows up here. These are moving to the east as well. And we've got cold front right here and high pressure indicated over central and southern California. Here's the jet stream map showing the flow into Washington, Oregon, and California. All right, now here's the SSCC water vapor map, and we can see all the chemtrails being laid out right here as this moisture field approaches Southern California. So once again, we have a good opportunity for rain. Tropical moisture moving up from the south, and it's all being sprayed over. We have no rain showing up offshore or over Southern California. Let's take a look again at the map. You can see all that rain offshore. This moisture field is being destroyed. We've got another rain opportunity going down the drain because of the terrorists that are controlling our weather. So instead of nice, cool fall weather, we're going to have a warm, dry, chemical-laced air. Okay, here's the sea level pressure analysis, and we can see that high pressure indicated over the Four Corner States and over Mexico, part of northern Mexico right there. We've got a low down here where that tropical depression was, Tina, which is no longer. We've got a lot of high pressure out here, which will block this hurricane force storm and redirect these two systems out over Canada. That's the sea level pressure. We got the 500 millibar right here. This is high pressure that's been installed over the area. We've got some squiggly lines as that high pressure builds. We've got varying degrees of high and low pressure indicated right here with these squiggly lines. We've got low pressure down here. This is that mid and upper level low that was that has been spinning for about three days or more. Right there, we can see a sort of a semicircle indent from the transmitter that is preventing that development. Here's the 300 millibar. We can see the closed low, and the moisture that is moving towards us is all sprayed over with chemtrails. Let's go back to this big map once again, and we can see what's happening. We've got a great opportunity for rain right here, and that is being stopped by the terrorists controlling our weather. You got to wonder about these people. They get up every day and they do what they do, and they must know what they're doing. They have to sign non-disclosure agreements and confidentiality agreements and all the rest of it, so they know that they're doing something that the public should not know about, yet they do it day in and day out for the money. And what's happening here is that the fact that we're not getting any rain in Southern California is increasing the fire danger. It's killing the trees that have been around for decades. It's killing bushes. We're breathing chemtrail, nanoparticulate aluminum, and barium, and all kinds of other crap. Let's take a look at this again on the rainbow map. So there's all of our rain going up in smoke. Once again, there's the geostationary map. Okay, that's it, and we'll go ahead and post this and do another one tomorrow.